Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes Benz E-Class W211 and how to remove the C-pillars. So the C-pillars are the ones in the rear seat on this quarter panel. The C-pillar is right back here. It's separated from the headliner, and to remove this, you're first going to remove the weather strip that's surrounding the door. So for this, you don't need any tools, just grab it from one area and start pulling it down. So an easy way to do this is you're going to start from the bottom and just pull this way. This is where the locking mechanism was. So now that it's open, I'm going to stick my finger behind here. And same thing, just pull, just like that. On the bottom there are two tabs. We're just going to lift up this piece, wiggle it, and lift it right out. And there are the two tabs I was talking about. And the last thing left before removing the C-pillar is the seat belt. And to remove the seat belt, we're going to have to remove the bottom cushion of the back seat. I'll have another video linked above and in my description box on how to remove the back seat, so please check that out. Get the seat belt through. And then again, this part, and comes right out. So this is how easy and simple it is to remove your C-pillars on your Mercedes Benz E-Class W211. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.